If you're a SpongeBob fan, you need to check out this product. Microsoft has just released a special edition of the Xbox in collaboration with SpongeBob, and I know what SpongeBob fans are thinking right now. This special edition is being distributed only in the United States and only at Best Buy stores. It will go on sale starting March 7, so get your savings ready if you want to buy this special edition that comes personalized in its box and controller. And obviously it includes a special game called All-Star Brawl 2. This edition will have limited quantities for sale, although the specific number has not been revealed, so if you are one of the biggest fans and you live in the United States, I think you are already getting ready to buy this console. The price of this bundle, which includes the controller and the game, is $699, so that's slightly higher than the traditional edition of an Xbox X series. Let me know if you would like Microsoft to distribute this edition in other countries as well.